Hey beautifuls, it's Ashley Desires and I'm here again with another video. And honey, I am here to tell you about our new water wave texture. Get into it. For the longest, I've been looking for the best water wave texture and I've came across it, and it is here at Beautiful Desires. If you do not get it, you're missing out. Effortless hair, super soft, super lightweight, and just amazingly luscious and sexy. It's everything. Now, I am wearing a unit that I did make, and I use our water wave texture, obviously. I used 3 bundles of our water wave in 14 inches and a 4x4 closure in 14 inches of our water wave, and this moment has came and I'm just so happy. But I know you want to see how I install this unit, so keep on watching. All right, so here is the custom closure wig, and whenever a custom closure wig is made by me, I always want to make sure that it's flat, and I added some baby hairs. But this is the bundle and this is the closure and 3 bundles of water wave, all in 14 inches. And just look how beautiful she is. Oh, I love this texture. I love it so much. Like, it's so effortless, but it still has some volume to it. I love it. So I'm gonna take this do-rag off. Do-rag bandana. I like to do 6 cornrows to the back because I am natural, and I want to make sure that it is flat when I do put them down. I do moisturize my hair, so I did that off camera, and I'm going to use a brown stocking cap. So I'm gonna put the end of my braids in there, inside of the stocking cap, making sure that everything is comfortable. Here's the wig, getting that elastic band. Oh, first of all, I need to put some makeup on here, so let me put some makeup on this closure. So I'm gonna put this on right here, and I just pretty much just bring it to the front. Now I see where my stocking cap, I'm gonna bring it back just a little bit. Gonna feel for this wig, making sure that it fits how I want it to. And oh my gosh, what is a lace, baby? What? Ooh, what is a lace? What's a lace? Mind you, I did baby hairs. I did baby hairs before I put the wig on because I was taking pictures, and these baby hairs are still in formation. So oh my gosh, I haven't even touched this thing. I haven't even put any products in. I haven't even put any. Oh my god, y'all are gonna love that. Oh my gosh, look how cute I look. Now mind you, I'm a long hair girl. I'm 5'1", and I just love long hair. But it's summertime, and we know it gets hot down here in South Florida. So you want to make sure you got you something that's gonna keep you cool. And honey, this hair is so lightweight. I haven't even added any products in there yet, okay? I haven't added anything. So what I like to add in my wavy and curly textures, I like to use Strictly Curls from Marc Anthony. And it comes in this bottle, and it's called their curl cream. Oh my gosh, this, thank you, this works miracles because it with curly wavy hair in Florida, all the humidity, it can frizz up the hair. And before I had this, my hair used to get very big, very frizzy, so I like to wet it, add this curling cream in there, and then I like to use any type of styling foam. This is from Silk Elements. You can use any type of styling foam, just make sure it's not too heavy, but styling foam literally just locks everything in, and I love how this combination I made up really works. Some people don't really care to use any type of like curling cream. I like to use water and conditioner. I feel like the water conditioner kind of weighs on the hair. Some people just use water and they don't care how big it gets, but I like mine to be, you know, kept up during the day. So this is the magic that I like to use. So I'm gonna wet this hair up just a little bit, just a tad, because the texture of this hair is it's just amazing. And I already wet it off camera, but I want you guys to see it in all of its glory when it's wet. Oh, I'm telling you, this is the best water wave I've ever had in my life. The best, literally. Whenever I wet my hair, I like to like comb it out, not comb it out, but just get that water through the hair. And I just, look how beautiful. And then it's gonna curl right back up. Let me get some, let me get it wet right here too. Okay. Then I'm gonna use the curling cream, and it's a yellow substance, and it doesn't like dry white at all. It's literally a cream that's like moisturizing your hair. So if you want to add any bio silk or argan oil, you can do that as well. But this curling cream is thebomb.com, and I just need that much, and I'm gonna just put it all throughout the hair, and making sure I get the front too, because that's the part that does a lot of movement. And I want to make sure the front of my hair looks super nice. But you see how the hair is flat now, right? When it gets nice and big, I just add like a little bit. When it gets nice and big, it's gonna be manageable. So I like how, oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Throughout the video, the hair will get bigger, but I'm just really loving this. And I'm gonna use some foam. I'm actually running out, but here's the foam, and I just like to put it through the hair just to lock in that curling cream and to lock in those waves. Ooh, honey. So while that's drying, I'm gonna get onto my baby hairs. Now this closure came pre-plucked, okay? And I didn't really have to do crazy plucking, which I was very happy about, because sometimes my clients, as you guys do know, I do have a closure repair, closure replacement services, and sometimes my clients can get very pluck happy. So I'm happy that this closure, I'm very excited this closure comes pre-plucked, because you don't really have to touch anything. I didn't have to really do anything, honestly. Just cut my baby hairs and that was it. So what I'm gonna use for my baby hairs, I love to use She Is Bomb Goo because it holds it in place. So I'm gonna use like a little bit. I'm gonna use a little bit. Oh, okay, so thank you. I'm gonna use a little bit, and I like to add just a little bit of water, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna get my edge control brush and do these baby hairs. And then while these are setting right now, I'm going to use just a little bit of the Got To Be spray, not too much, because when this thing is on you, it is on you, okay? It is on you. So I'm gonna put it on my fingers, rub it together, and just dap it. Put it in my fingers, rub it together, and dap it, dap it. You don't wanna spray. You don't wanna spray, okay? You do not wanna spray. Do not spray the Got To Be spray down to your hairline if that's what you like to do. But for me, I get headaches when that happens. So that's why I don't like spraying it directly onto the lace. But, ooh, I can't look when she dries up, honey. I add like a little bit. When she dries up and gets back to that puffiness. Now some of y'all might like this style. I like it too, but I like when it gets big on me because it doesn't get too big. It gets like a nice, pretty, voluptuous type of look. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I love this water wave. So honey, she is literally almost done drying, and look how voluptuous, how sexy she looks. Oh my, it hasn't even gotten that big yet, honey. And when it does get big, it doesn't get crazy big, okay? But if you are ready for that look, you want to do that look, you can. Just make sure when it's dried, and just comb it slightly with the wide tooth comb, and it'll get to that size that you want. I just really love how this whole look came along. This water wave texture is thebomb.com, and you can't find it anywhere else except for Beautiful Desires. But just look at that. Look at her. I'm gonna call this unit Erica. What's Erica? Yeah, what's your Erica? That's my name. Your name is Erica? Erica. You got a God at the end. Erica. Say it with me. Erica. I know you just said it. Look at, you know, girl. Now, you're wondering, is this hair even on sale? Yes. Pretty much the whole site is on sale. I have a sale on our bundles, closures, frontals, lace wigs, custom closure wigs, and our ready to ship wigs. I literally said a mouthful because we have a sale literally on almost the whole entire website. I believe on our mink eyelashes too, but I'm gonna post a flyer right here. So you saw when the sale ended, right? Now, when it ends, don't get mad at me. I tried to warn you. I warned you. I might extend, I'm not sure. But when it ends, it ends. And you're gonna have to wait for the next sale. And who knows how long, I'm just kidding. But when it ends, I'm sorry you guys, that's when it ends. And I really want people to get this luscious hair because I feel good about it, and I want you guys to feel good wearing your hair, like especially during these times. Like, you want something you can feel good about waking up in the morning knowing that you're leaving out the house looking like, you know, a celebrity, looking like, you know, you got, like, you worth a bag, like a whole $1 million. Like, I feel like I'm worth $1 billion right now, you feel me? I feel like I'm worth everything, to be honest. So if you are interested in purchasing this hair, click the link in my description box and it will lead you to my website where you can just literally purchase whatever you want on the site. If you want to see more pictures and videos of this hair, follow me on Instagram at Beautiful Desires. That is my personal hair page. And to our hair collection page, follow us at Beautiful Desires Hair, okay? That's where you see everything about Beautiful Desires hair, closures, but all of that stuff. I'm just so happy I was able to show you guys because you guys don't understand how long I've been looking for a water wave. I haven't seen one so beautiful like this in so long, and I'm very happy I'm able to introduce it to my beautifuls and make you all experience this greatness, you know. So some of you may be wondering, what is the difference between your beautiful curl, which is our loose wave, and the difference between our deep wave, because these are all waves that we have, right? So let me zoom up closer to show you. Now, with our deep wave, it is much more tighter, and our loose wave is much more looser. So this meets in the middle. This is tighter than our loose wave, and this is looser than our deep wave. So you don't have to really do much to maintain this hair. It's literally a breeze. It doesn't have that much, you don't really have to worry that much about this hair and detangling. Or let's say if you're looking for a look that, you know, the beautiful curl is not what you're really looking for, you want something with more va-va-voom to it, I feel like this is much more tighter than the beautiful curl, which is our loose wave, like I said. And I feel that it's like a mix in between, like I said before. So if you are this type of person to like something that's, you know, less maintenance but still has that va-va-voom to it, that character, I don't see why you wouldn't want to order this, because I'm gonna order this again, and I'm gonna get it longer, especially for the winter, because summertime, like I said, it is very hot down here. Hot, and I can't deal sometimes with this heat. But thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video, and I'll see you all in my new one. All right, bye.
Purr.